Hi there, I'm Cherie with the Mobile Internet Resource Center. When all of the carriers started rolling out these newfangled unlimited data plans last year, they all had high-speed mobile hotspot caps on them, and that's what you use if you're getting laptops and other devices online. Most of the carriers have something between 10 and 20 gigabytes of high-speed usage that is included with each line. However, both Verizon and AT&T, this was a fairly new concept for them. T-Mobile and Sprint were already doing this on their unlimited plans, and they already had ways to track and enforce it. However, these other carriers, Verizon and AT&T, did not. It took Verizon until September of last year to actually roll out their enforcement of their high-speed mobile hotspot cap. And it caught a lot of people off guard because they'd been using lots and lots of mobile hotspot data and not getting any throttled speeds, so they just assumed they had a truly unlimited data plan. Of course, that ended back in September, and Verizon plans are now throttled after your 10 to 15 gigabytes of usage, and now 20 gigabytes on their new above unlimited plan. AT&T, however, we've been getting numerous reports of unlimited hotspot use on smartphones and tablets. But we've been tracking some reports that AT&T is starting to roll out both tracking of mobile hotspot use and eventual enforcement. And in the last few days, we're starting to see reports of that enforcement coming on. So originally, the Unlimited Plus plans on AT&T included 10 gigabytes of high-speed hotspot use, and then speeds would be throttled to 128 kbits per second. So extremely slow speeds after that 10 gigabytes of hotspot use. On their new enhanced plans, which just retired or retired tomorrow, they upped that to 15 gigabytes, and on their new and more unlimited plans, it's also 15 gigabytes. So those are the hotspot caps that you get with those plans. We anticipate seeing the rolling out of this enforcement and tracking over the coming months, so you may not be getting it yet, but it will be coming according to our sources at AT&T. So you will start to only have that 10 or 15 gigabytes of high-speed mobile hotspot use on smartphones and tablet plans. Now, if you have one of the now grandfathered in Unlimited Plus data-only devices, and that includes mobile devices, Nighthawks, Velocities, Unite Explorers, and the wireless internet plans on one of those Unlimited Plus plans that retired back in February, those continue to be unlimited, only subject to network management, so that does not impact those plans. There are ways to now start to track your mobile hotspot usage. It's a bit complicated right now. We have instructions in the full guide or article that goes along with this video, so go check that there. And we are hoping that AT&T makes it easy on a one-snapshot screenshot like Verizon made it. Hopefully that is coming as well, so you can see it a lot quicker without having to tally stuff up. But definitely the signs are there that they are starting to track mobile hotspot use, and they are enforcing it. So if you've been using a lot of hotspot use on your smartphone, those days are coming to an end.